Yeah, hello everyone. Right, in today's session, we will look after how to create buttons. So in previous video, we successfully created alerts by using Bootstrap. So now we try to work on how to create buttons, right? So without wasting much time, let's start into the coding part. Right. So I already I already created a normal HTML page, the basic requirements. So in the inside the head section, I have given Bootstrap and jQuery, JavaScript. All the important CDN links are embedded inside the head section part, right? And after that, inside the body part, I have created one container, and inside the container, I have used one alert, right? And that alert simply tells that well done, successfully created, right? So now my intention is I need to create a button, right? So to create a button, right, to create a button, I will use a tag, and I will use the href as a hash itself. And hash simply tells that it by clicking that button, it will stay in that same page itself, right? And after that, I need to use the Bootstrap. For that, I am using the class. So I am giving btn the class name, and btn, and I'm using primary. In the same way, just like alerts, in buttons also there are primary, danger, warning, success, information. All those types is there, so we will look after all the types. I simply give submit, and I close the button, right? Just refresh it, and save it, and after saving, just refresh it, right? This is a simple button, right? So I will show you. I will remove these all things. I will remove these all things, and save it and refresh it. This is the way in earlier days how we created raw HTML. But by using this Bootstrap, the complete look has been changed, right? So now I will show you another type of button also, right? I will show you another type. So without wasting much time, I simply copy it and paste it, and here I will show you outline, right? Save it and refresh it. So see this particular two type buttons. One button is it is completely filled with color, and this button is completely not filled with color, but its outline is colored. So but the main thing, if I hover the mouse on that particular button, what's happening, right? This is an outline buttons, right? This is outline buttons. So simply I will I will add one more. I will mix with one more alert, so that it will be easy for us, because we are going to see lot of variety types of buttons are there, so that without confusion, so I am simply using this alerts, right? I will add one paragraph, and that paragraph tells that primary buttons. Just save it and refresh it, right? This is the primary buttons. So in the same way, I will show you the danger buttons, warning buttons, all those things, right? So very simple. Just I will copy all the things, and I simply change here the I will change here button as success, and the alert message also I will change the color success, and here I will remove the success, and here outline also I will change it to the success, right? Just save it and refresh it, right? This is a success button, right? Right, in the same way we will create, in the same way we will create for danger also. I will remove this danger and this one danger, right? That's it. Just save it and refresh it, right? So in the same way you try to practice it in getting the information and warnings, all those buttons you try to practice it, right? So I already shown in the output also, so primary buttons, success buttons, and warnings, right? So you try to practice it so that you will get a lot of idea on it, right? In next session we will look after in another concept, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel.